This video explains how to create a list with names but no entries in the R programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the R code. In this video I will show you an example, and this example is based on the vector of names that we can create with line 2 of the code. So if you run this line of code, you can see at the top right of RStudio that a new data object is appearing, which is called myNames. And we can print this data object to the RStudio console by running line 3 of the code. And then you can see that our data object myNames contains a vector of characters, and these characters are ranging from the letter A to the letter E. Now let's assume that we want to create a list with 5 list elements with the names corresponding to our data object myNames, but without any values in these list elements. Then we can use the sapply function, as you can see in line 5 of the code. And within the sapply function we need to specify our data object myNames. And then we need to specify a user-defined function in which we are specifying that our entries in the list objects should be equal to null. So if you run line 5 of the code, you can see that a new list object is appearing at the top right, which is called myList. And we can print this list to the RStudio console by running line 6 of the code. And then you can see that we have created a list object containing 5 list elements that have the names A, B, C, D, and E. However, the entries of these list elements are equal to null. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video so you can find it there. If you have liked this video or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.